What's up, everybody? Super excited after a fun day of fishing on the water here in Puget Sound. We're back. We got to take care of our gear. Got to wash the boat down, get the interior all wiped down, downriggers. Got to take care of our stuff. What better than partnering up with a company and showing you guys some products I think you're really going to like. Making it convenient and easy with a couple different kits that they sent me. We're going to show you guys how this all works and how simple it is to take care of your stuff. Without further ado, Better Boat Products, exterior and interior cleaning kits. Let's check it out. So what we're talking about right here, guys, exterior cleaning kit, which we're going to dive right into and get all of our salt washed away. It's got a cool foaming attachment. You got the soap itself, an eraser, which are really cool. To get any of your smudge marks or anything off. A couple microfiber cloths. It really is something to do a nice deep clean and get that thing nice and shiny. And we also got an interior kit of cleaning and protecting necessities on the interior of the boat. So we're gonna dive right into both, show you guys opening up this exterior, and let's get started. All right, so let's look what's inside here. Nice cool packaging. You got concentrated boat soap. Got a big sponge. Got your magic boat eraser. A couple microfiber towels. That's cool. And a boat soap foam gun. Which I kind of, when I saw this kit, thought this is going to be pretty neat. Sprayer attachment. Soap bottle. And some more spray gun parts. Shows you everything, how to use it. So we're gonna set it up, put it together, show you it all. Alright, so pretty sweet. Give you your own hose attachment, which is a quick release. Right up here to do. Right. Quick release. There you go, and it's all one unit. Now you have dispenser here. Got our concentrated soap. Doesn't say much, 1 to 3 ounces, especially because this is concentrated. Okay, got our liquid in here. Get some power out of this thing, okay? So we're gonna fill the rest of it up. Whoa! That's some of my soap. Okay, so the first real step is getting everything else in there going. We gotta spray the boat down, right? we're gonna go for super foam. And now we just rinse and repeat. Okay, here's another super cool product that comes in the Magic Boat Eraser. Okay, that is just like a rubber rub against, I don't know, from one of the bumpers, who knows, right? Here's just Magic Eraser. Sayonara, sucker. Let's take a look at the interior boat cleaning kit now. We're going to see what we got inside. You got some really good UV protectant boat cleaning wipes, a couple interior microfiber towels. You got a couple spray bottles here of vinyl cleaner and a vinyl protectant for those areas that you have. And we're going to showcase these wipes right away. It does have a seal on there, so make sure you can get those off before you utilize them, but they feel like a good little wipe here, and we're going to see how they kind of just work. These seats have not been cleaned, with especially having fish and the kids. It's going to be worthwhile to have something like this to keep your boat up to par. So just getting kind of one or two of these together in my hand, be able to appropriately start. Let's see how this works. Really happy with the feel and just having an option to be able to wipe the seats down. Honestly, I had used a wet rag before, and that does the job most of the time, but to get really something more out of it, you're going to really be able to see how you can get the sides of your seats. You can even clean the floor a little bit more, but protecting your stuff is going to make it last for the long haul. There's a spot right there that just came out. Again, looks overall like it works really well for what it is. And I'm excited to have this in the arsenal. Look at all that dirt there, right? All the sides, all the vinyl, everything can be wiped down with this. And then you can even, like I said, utilize the sprays to protect it even further. Well, and there you have it, guys. Just a little bit of TLC to get your boats taken care of, because they'll take care of you. And what better than an interior boat kit and an exterior boat kit from Better Boat Products. Really makes the boat shine and clean up awesome. Still got a little bit more to do to touch up, but I just wanted to show you guys kind of what we're going to get out of these kits, because it's a great way to have what you need to go move on after a great day on the water. So comment what you liked about this, what you guys want to see. And if you look in the link descriptions below, you'll find everything you need. All right, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Tight lines and fish on.